All right, so let's talk about the wind side of the E6B calculator. Just a big overview of the wind side. Basically, we have a slide rule that can slide up and down. We have this center grommet, they call it, that you can slide up and down, and we'll go over all of these, but I just kind of want to show you how it works. You can set this on a particular speed and then adjust the rotating slide. Whoops, there we go. Adjust the rotating degree heading, off of like true course or whatever, to find, basically you're trying to find, a headwind or a tailwind for navigation, and then your calibrated airspeed, your so on and so forth. In essence, this whole idea is to help you stay on course as you're doing cross-country navigations. Like the other side, there is markings up at the top that basically walks you through what to do. So you first set your wind direction under the true index, mark the wind velocity up from the center point, set the true course under the true index, slide the wind velocity mark to the true airspeed, ground speed reads under the center, and then the wind correction angle reads between the center line and the wind velocity mark. And we're going to go over all of this. So yeah, we'll hop right in.
All right, folks, if you've made it this far without dozing off, very impressive. Tip of the cap. Now that you're officially a helicopter nerd like me, why not take the next step? Check out my online helicopter ground school at 3gheliprep.com. Trust me, it'll only get more exciting from here, or at least more useful.